On the 25th of May 1521, the Edict of Worms was issued by the Holy Roman Emperor Charles V. Welcome to HistoryPod. In early 1521, Emperor Charles V convened a diet in the Imperial free city of Worms in Germany to address the theological and political turmoil sparked by Martin Luther's 95 Theses. The Imperial Assembly summoned Luther to defend his beliefs, which challenged the authority of the Catholic Church and some of its practices, such as the sale of indulgences. Facing charges of heresy, Luther was given the opportunity to recant his views. Instead, he allegedly declared, "Here I stand, I can do no other, so help me God. Amen." This refusal to renounce his beliefs caused uproar in the Diet, and while discussions were held about his fate, Luther went into hiding under the protection of Prince Frederick III of Saxony. On May the 25th, 1521, the Edict of Worms was issued by the Holy Roman Emperor Charles V. The edict condemned Luther's writings as heretical and prohibited their publication, distribution and possession within the Holy Roman Empire. It also declared Luther to be an outlaw, meaning that anyone could capture or kill him without the fear of legal consequences. The edict therefore effectively excommunicated Luther from the Catholic Church, whilst suppressing the spread of his ideas and influence. However, despite the efforts of the Catholic Church and the imperial authorities to suppress Luther and his followers, the Protestant Reformation continued to gain momentum. Luther's ideas found support among the German princes and the population, and this led to the establishment of Protestant churches and the fragmentation of religious authority in Europe.